Coronary artery disease. It is the most common heart disease in the United States. Coronary artery disease happens when coronary arteries struggle to supply the heart with enough blood, oxygen and nutrients. Cholesterol deposits or plaques are almost always to blame. These builds up narrower arteries, decreasing blood flow to your heart. This can cause chest pain, shortness of breath or even a heart. Coronary artery disease, also called coronary heart disease, ischemic heart disease, myocardial ischemia or simply heart disease, involves the reduction of blood flow to the cardiac muscles due to the buildup of R3 plaque in the arteries of the heart. It is the most common of the cardiovascular disease. Some of the most common coronary artery disease symptoms include chest pain, heart palpitations, irregular heart rhythms, severe fatigue, shortness of breath, swelling of the hands and feet, indigestion. The main causes of coronary artery disease may include high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, obesity, alcoholic misuse, stress, autoimmune disease, chronic kidney disease, saturated fat, sleep deprivation, metabolic syndrome, unhealthy diet or food. Treatment of coronary artery disease typically involves a combination of lifestyle changes, medications and medical procedures. Here are some of the common treatments. The 4 best treatments for coronary artery disease are anomalous coronary artery intervention. Anomalous coronary artery intervention is a procedure to fix a problem with the coronary artery. An anomalous coronary artery may have an irregularity with its starting point or its course, shape or branching. This problem may cause the artery to be blocked or narrowed. Coronary artery bypass surgery. Coronary artery bypass grafting, or also called heart bypass surgery, is a medical procedure to improve blood flow to the heart. It may be needed when the arteries supplying blood to the heart, called coronary arteries, are narrowed or blocked. Carotid endarterectomy (CEA) is surgery to treat carotid artery disease. The carotid arteries are the main blood vessels that carry oxygen and blood to the brain. In carotid artery disease, these arteries become narrowed. This reduces blood flow to the brain and could cause a stroke. Exercise electrocardiogram. An exercise ECG, sometimes known as stress test or exercise test, is done to assess the heart's response to stress or exercise. In this test, the ECG is recorded while you are exercising on a treadmill or stationary bike. Angioplasty and stent placement for the heart. Angioplasty is a procedure used to open blocked coronary arteries caused by coronary artery disease. It restores blood flow to the heart muscles. Without open heart surgery, angioplasty can be done in emergency settings such as heart attack.